Python math library offers the Sqrt function to calculate the square root. And we have solved this equation using the math function in our last session. In this session, we will study few more essential functions available in the Python's math library. Hello everyone, welcome to the Python session. We solved this equation in our last session and this is the code. And look at this line. Here we have used a star star 2, that is exponential operator. There is another way around it, that is POW function. POW function in the math library helps to calculate the power. So in this program, we will change the a star star 2 to math.pow and in the bracket a comma 2. Similarly, we will change the b star star 2 to math.pow like this and pass the parameter b and 2. Let's run the code and enter the input 3 and 4. Well, we got the right output. In the last session, I have explained this output as well as the program. Well, there is a small problem in this program. Look at this line. This is a bit lengthy because we have used math word and the function name. For bigger library names and function name, it becomes complicated to manage. To handle this, we have alias as a solution. Look at this import line. Here, we will write import math as m. Now, m is the alias of math library. In our code, we will change math to m like this. Wherever we have used the math, we can replace that with m. This alias becomes very handy when the library name is big and we have to use it at many places. So, now you know how to use the math function and its alias. Let's see one more example to clear the understanding of math functions. Suppose you want to write a program to calculate the area of circle. So, the formula for calculating the area of circle is pi multiplied by radius square. To write this program, we will import math as a library with an alias m. Then, we will ask the user to enter the radius using the input function. Again, please don't forget to convert that to float. To calculate the area, we will write m dot pi followed by a multiplication and then m dot pow and in bracket radius comma 2. Here m dot pi is the constant in math function which gives the most accurate value of pi. Now we will print the result using a print statement like this. Let's run the code and enter the value as 7. Well, we got the correct output. Before we end this session, I want to explain you one tiny example. Suppose you want to write a program to calculate the factorial in Python. After importing the math function, we will accept the input in variable n. Then we will write m dot factorial and in the bracket we will pass the variable n. Store the result in the variable f and then print the result like this. Let's run the code. Here we will enter the input 5. That's the correct output. Just like factorial, POW, math library in Python provides many functions like sin to calculate the sine of an angle or floor to a round of a value. The complete list is available in this URL. Math functions are essential and help developers with many projects. It will take a while to learn all the functions in the math library. The only way around is practice. Practice hard to understand most of the math function in Python. Again, all the examples are available in this URL. Thanks for watching and see you in the next session.